Welcome. This is a calm sleep story created to help you slow down and gently prepare for rest. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to think about. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle. Lower the volume until the sound feels soft and distant. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. With each breath, your body begins to feel heavier, more relaxed, more at ease. Imagine yourself standing on a quiet path. It is nighttime. The air is cool and still. You begin to walk slowly. There is no hurry, no destination. Each step feels steady and calm. Left foot, right foot. The ground beneath you feels safe and supportive. As you walk, you notice the rhythm of your movement. Your breathing flows in and out. Your arms rest naturally. Your hands feel loose. If a thought appears, you let it pass. You return to the rhythm. Left foot, right foot. Slow, steady, peaceful. The world around you feels distant now, muted, still. There are no sharp sounds, no bright lights, only calm, only quiet. The night feels gentle and protective. Your body feels safe here, at ease. There is no need to follow the story anymore. The words arrive and pass. You do not hold on to them. Thoughts slow down naturally. Spaces appear between them. Nothing needs your attention. You are free to rest. Your body begins to sink deeper into the surface beneath you. Your forehead smooths, your eyes soften, your jaw releases, your shoulders drop. Your chest moves gently with each breath. Your hips settle. Your legs feel heavy. Your feet feel distant. Your body remembers how to sleep. Awareness fades slowly now. You may hear the voice, or you may not. Both are fine. Your breathing remains slow, deep, effortless. There is nothing else to do, nowhere else to go. The words become softer, more spaced. Long pauses appear. Sleep arrives gently, naturally. There is no moment when it begins, only a quiet drifting, and you allow yourself to rest. The words now become softer, more spaced, less important. Long pauses appear between each thought. Your awareness fades naturally. You may hear the sound of the voice, or you may not. Both are perfectly fine. Your breathing remains slow, deep, effortless. Sleep begins to unfold on its own. There is no moment when it starts, no clear boundary, only a gentle fading. You drift and drift and drift into comfort, into stillness, into sleep. Your attention gently drifts through your body. There is no need to focus. Simply notice. Your head feels heavy, your neck relaxed, your shoulders loose and warm, your arms feel soft and still, your hands open naturally, your chest rises and falls slowly, your stomach moves gently with each breath, your hips settle, your legs rest, your feet feel calm and distant. There is no separation between you and rest. Your body knows exactly how to sleep. It has done this many times before. You allow it to take over. There is nothing else you need to do. As you continue along the quiet path, you notice a small house in the distance. The house is simple, quiet, resting. A soft light glows through one window, warm and gentle. You walk closer, feeling calm and unhurried. There is no sound coming from inside, no movement, only stillness. The door is closed and everything feels peaceful. You stop for a moment, simply noticing the quiet presence of the house. There is nothing you need to do here, nothing you need to enter, just the feeling of safety, of calm, of rest. You imagine the inside of the house. The rooms are simple and clean. Soft light fills the space. There are comfortable chairs, a quiet table, nothing out of place. The air inside feels warm and calm. Everything in the house is at rest. You move slowly from room to room, noticing how quiet it feels. Each room invites stillness. Each space feels safe. You do not stay long in any room. You simply notice and move on. Nothing demands your attention. Nothing pulls you forward. You imagine standing near the window, looking out into the night. The world outside is still, silent. The light inside remains soft and steady. You feel no need to think, no need to plan. You are simply here, between inside and outside, between movement and rest. Your breathing remains slow, natural. The quiet of the house settles into your body. You feel heavier, more relaxed, more ready to rest.